the last method that I will show you in graphing the linear equation is by slope-intercept form. Para sa akin, ito yung pinakamadaling method. And by the way, kahit anong method sa two-point method, sa two-point method, sa intercept method, and sa slope-intercept method, which is this, kahit ano dun sa tatlo yung method na gamitin nyo, you will still get the same graph, which is line. Line yung graph ng ating linear equation. So, okay, so ito para sa akin, ito yung pinakamadali kasi, so ito naka-slope-intercept form na siya. Ang slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Para sa mga hindi nakakalam, where m, that is the slope. At ang slope natin is yan yung merong rise over run. And then ito namang b, ito yung y-intercept. Or when I write this, ginagawa kong 0b kasi para ma-remind ako na pag ginaf ko to, 0 and then b, bababa ako or tataas ako. Okay? So, kapag ganito na yung given is already in slope-intercept form, syempre hindi nyo na kailangan ganitohin kasi given na nga na ganito na yung form niya. Ang una nyo gagawin is identify your slope. But this time, is slope. When we say slope, just the numerical coefficient beside your variable x, yung katabi lang ng variable x, which this time is 1/3. Hindi po kasama yung variable x. Yun yung usual naging error ng students ko. So, please don't put the variable x in identifying the slope. And then, guide na rin ito para sa pag-graph. Sulat yung rise and run o kaya arrow na lang kung aakyat and then yung run lagi naman pupuntang right yun. Okay? And then yung B. Yung B pwedeng ganyan or naka-ordered pair. So 0, 1. Okay, and then I will be showing you to the next video kung paano i-graph ito. Okay, using the specific given. So, pinakita ko lang muna kung paano mag-identify ng slope at ng y-intercept or yung b. So, I will be showing you now how to graph in slope-intercept method. So, since our equation is already in slope-intercept, at kanina the solution, we already identified our slope, which is 1/3 kasi yun yung katab na variable x. And then yung b ay 1, or gaya ng sinabi ko, I am writing it as an ordered pair para alam ko kung saan ko ito i-graph. B ay i-graph lang naman is either sa taas or sa baba. Okay? So, para mag-graph through slope-intercept form is, ang unang kong i-graph ay ito. Okay, so yung 0, 1 muna. So 0, at hindi mag-left and right kasi 0, and then 1 is dito. So doon, magpo-plot na tayo agad. So ipo-plot muna natin yung una, ay yung B natin. And then, from that B, mag-rise over run tayo. By the way, yung slope nyo, that will be rise over run, or kung ako hindi naman ako lang yung susulat ng word ng rise over run, ang ginagawa ko ay I put arrow, pataas yung arrow ko kapag positive yung slope ko, and then yung run, lagi naman papunta sa right. So, ito yung pangalawa natin gagawin. So, from this plot, mag-rise tayo kung ilan yung numerator at mag-run tayo kung ilan yung denominator. So, as you can see, ito yung pinakahuli. Okay, so I mean, ito yung pinaka-plot natin. And then, yung rise natin ay isang step lang daw. So, 1. Sorry. So, from here, 1 step. Kasi 1 yung rise. And then, mag-run tayo going, so umakit tayo kasi positive ha. And then, mag-run tayo ng 3 beses. Mag-run tayo ng 3 beses. Okay, so, from here, so 1, 2, 3. So, yun na yun. And if you will be checking, so ito yung akit natin, ito yung rise, so isa lang yan, diba? And then, bilangin natin yung from there, 1, 2, 3. No, and then, dahil may dalawa na yung dots natin, and then, at the time, we will be connecting our dots. And again, when you connect the dots, extend nyo lang konti. Huwag dun sakto dun sa dots. So, pag ganito yung ang ginagawa ko, i-label the rise and the run. So, diba ito yung 0, 1, and then ito yung 1 ko, ito yung 3 ko. Okay, so that is how you graph the slope-intercept form. Another example in graphing the linear equation in slope-intercept method. So, this is the equation 3x plus 5y equals 5. Hindi siya naka-slope-intercept form. So, pag ganito yung given, kailangan i-change pa siya into slope-intercept form. Para change to, kailangan maiwan yung y sa isang side, and then lilipat natin or apply natin yung addition property of equality. So, ako kasi nag-transpose lang ako. But if you will apply the APE, subtract tayo ng 3x both sides para mawala to dito and mapunta dito yung ating 3x. So, we have 5y equal, so, syempre, maging negative 3x plus 5. And then, dahil nga, yung slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So, kailangan ito, y lang, walang number doon. So, you will be dividing both sides by 5. So, y is equals to negative. So, dapat magdi-divide tayo dito as well as dito. Hindi pwedeng doon lang sa unahan or sa dulo lang ha. So, let's simplify. So, we have negative 3/5 x. At dahil lowest term na to, yan na yun. Pero kung paano yung lowest term, remember that fraction must always be in lowest term. Kagaya nito yung 5/5, sulat ko lang muna, pwede siyang lowest term, di ba? So we could rewrite that as 1. Okay? So yan. And then, dahil nga naka-slope intercept form na siya, we will be identifying our m, which is yung slope natin, yung katabi nga ng variable x. This time is negative 3/5. And remember that the slope is equal to the rise over run. Makikipapakita ko kung paano yung application nito mamaya sa graph, yung kasunod na vid. Pero ganito, kapag negative yung slope, yung negative na yan, it only represent the numerator. So, bababa tayo ng graph. And then ito, lagi namang papunta sa right. Okay? So, I will show you this further kapag nasa graph part na tayo. And then, yung b natin, or yung 0b, o yung tinatawag nating y-intercept, kaya nga siya tinawag na slope-intercept form kasi this is your slope, this is your intercept. And then, sulat natin yung ating slope-intercept, which is ito, yung constant. Kasi wala siyang katabing variable. So, 0, 1. Okay? I will explain kung ano yung una nyo gagawin or anong una natin i-graph when it comes to the slope-intercept method. Okay, let's now graph this y equals negative 3/5 x plus 1. And ang ating slope ay negative 3/5 na kung saan yung rise natin ay pababa dahil negative yung ating slope, and then yung run natin will always going to the right. And yung una natin nag-graph is yung 0b natin ay yung y-intercept, which is 0, 1. Again, nagkataon lang na pareho ito ng slope-intercept, or rather, ng y-intercept, pero minsan, naiiba rin naman to, hindi naman 0, 1 lagi. Nagkataon lang that may example na pinakita is parehong 0, 1 yung y-intercept, sorry. So, ito yung una nating i-graph. So, 0, 1. So, isa-isa ko lang ito. Wait. So, 0, and then 1. Kasi positive, kaya umakyat. Kasi positive naman yan. Okay, so, and then from there, so, dahil negative yung ating slope, bababa tayo ng 3 steps, and then mag-run tayo ng 5 steps. So, from that dot, or from that point, so, bilang tayo ng 3 pababa. And again, and by the way, hindi lang tayo bibilang sa original position, magbibilang tayo for the next na. So, 1, opo, kasama po sa pagbilang sa origin, kasi nagkataon na dumaan kay origin. So, 1, 2, 3. And then, hindi pa tayo magdadot doon. Or which you could do, or pwede nyo rin gawin yung broken line tayo. So, 1, 2, 3. And then, mag-run tayo ng 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And dito yung tumigil. Okay, so yun yung pinaka-dot ng pangalawa. Kasi ito yung 5 nating run. Ito yung negative 3 nating rise na pababa dahil negative yung ating slope. So, we have 2 dots now. And, i-connect na lang natin yun. Lagyan ko lang ng label yung ating y-intercept, which is 0, 1. Pwede din naman natin itong lagyan ng label, which is 5, negative 2. Kasi nasa tapat siya ng positive 5 and then nakatapat siya sa negative 2 ng y.